Let's talk about money and what to do when you don't have much of it. If your bank balance is always low and budgeting feels impossible, this video is for you. Because you don't need a high income to take control of your finances. You just need the right strategy. Let's break it down. Start by understanding exactly where your money is going. Grab your last month's bank statements or open your banking app. Write down everything you spent: rent, bills, food, shopping, even small things like coffee or subscriptions. Most people are shocked by how much is leaking out on things they forgot they even paid for. Now that you know where your money's going, let's make a plan for it. Use a simple method like the 50-30-20 rule, but tweak it if you're low on income. 60 to 70% for needs, rent, food, transportation. 10 to 20% for debt or savings. 10 to 20% for wants, fun, eating out, etc. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for awareness and improvement. Even putting $10 towards savings or debt makes a difference. Look for expenses you can eliminate or reduce. Do you really need 3 streaming services? Can you cook 2 more meals at home each week? This isn't about punishment. It's about choosing what actually matters to you. Ask, what am I paying for that doesn't improve my life? Cut that. Keep the things that bring value. Set one small financial goal and automate it. That could be save $100 in an emergency fund. Pay down $50 of debt. Start investing $10 per month. The key? Automate it. Set up a recurring transfer, even if it's small. Let your system do the work while you build momentum. You don't need to be rich to take control of your money. You just need a plan and some patience. Track your spending, build a simple budget, cut the waste, set one small goal, and stick with it. Small steps, repeated consistently, are how real wealth is built. Like, share, or follow for more